Hello, River Road congregation. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity for Second Chance. We are rarely able to show people behind the scenes because legally we can't put our animal patients on display, but we can share photos and videos with you. So that's a big help for us in letting you know what goes on and the passion and compassion that we have for all of our patients. We also want to thank each of you who have contributed to us over the years, be it in your time hosting donation drives in the parking lot. A group of you spent hours making bathroom tissue bird's nests for our youngest feathered patients, and they're disposable and really help save us a tremendous amount of time. And also, of course, many of you over the years have been incredibly generous with monetary gifts. And those are our life's blood. Those enable us to buy fresh produce and groceries, medications, medical supplies. The list goes on and on. We are very excited that after decades in a rented century-old farmhouse in Gaithersburg, we will shortly be announcing our move to a new location with a brand new building that was funded completely separately from our annual operating budget through private donations, 100%. And hopefully, if all goes according to plan, we will move into this new location by the end of 2022. So stay tuned for that by visiting our website, which also will be new very shortly. But in the meantime, our current site remains up at www.scwc.org, and follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/scwc.org. Have a wonderful day, and please remember Second Chance.